So, hello, Wayne and Ginger have decided that they haven't had enough motorcycle riding. So today, on our fourth day of the trip, they have taken off to go do some exploring before our 4-hour raft trip up the river here to do the tidal bore. Kathy and I, on the other hand, have decided to just hang out and have a day off the bike. So we're out for a nice walk in the campground here and just going to see what there is to see, and then maybe go back to the cabin, and I'll do some work on my videos and things since I'm a little behind already. And also we haven't had any Wi-Fi for the last couple of days. Right now I actually have to go up into the main lodge of this campground and sit in one particular couch so that I can get Wi-Fi. It's the only spot in the entire building that has Wi-Fi, so it's kind of funny. But anyway, we're just out relaxing and enjoying the day today. Isn't that right, honey?
That's right, honey.
Back from our walk around the campground, got to take a look at, forgot to put her in the picture.
It's okay.
But anyway, we're back from our walk around the campground, and never mind.
No, it's
never
good.
mind.
No, it's good.
Hi, honey.
Hi. So, how are you enjoying the trip so far?
Well, I have to say honestly that the first couple of days on the highway weren't very fun. And I found myself feeling adventurous, but thinking, oh my lord, if this is what it's going to be like the whole time, I'm in trouble. But then yesterday came, and it was just like what I pictured. Just really nice roads, really with beautiful, beautiful scenery, and just really, really nice riding. And wow, all that time we were riding alongside the ocean, that was just amazing to me. So overall, I'm a happy girl, and I feel like an adventurer too.